In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your user handle or your handle name of your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So if you want to change your YouTube handle or the handle name of your YouTube, it is pretty simple. Just head over to YouTube Studio and then go ahead and click on customization. From customization, scroll down under this section called profile, and then you'll see we have the name section and then the handle section. So when you talk of the handle section, this is your specific or your tailored handle name that begins with at. As you can see, mine is here at Echoes of Victory. So you can go ahead and delete this name and write your name as you wish. And you have to note that the name should be available for you to be able to use it. And if it is not available, you'll see the handle is not available here. So go ahead and enter characters until you get a tick here. That means you can now use that name as your handle name. Once you're done, now proceed and click on publish to keep the changes, and your YouTube handle name will instantly change. So that's how you can change your YouTube handle name. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.